Welcome to the Real Men's Math channel. For this session, we're going to solve about implicit differentiation. For you to get more updated latest videos, just subscribe to my channel, the Real Men's Math and Music channel. So for this problem, we're going to solve implicit differentiation of x squared plus y squared is equals to 6x. So this topic is all about differential calculus. For implicit differentiation, we are going to solve for dy over dx, or simply y prime. Okay. And then we have here the solution. So this is the solution. And then for this problem, we're going to differentiate. All with respect to dx. So and then this is d over dx. This is y squared is equals to, this is d over dx 6x. Okay, and then if you're going to differentiate x squared with respect to x, so this will be this will be 2x plus, if we're going to differentiate y squared with respect to x, so this will be 2y. This is 2y y prime or dy dx is equals to 6. And then we divide it both sides by 2. So divide all by 2, cancel. The remaining is 3. So we have x plus y prime is equals to, this is 3. And then we're going to transpose this in the right side. So we have y prime is equals to 3 minus x. And then divide both sides by y. This is y, and then cancel. Therefore, the answer is y prime is equals to 3 minus x over y. So therefore, this is our final answer. Again, if you're going to have the implicit differentiation, first thing to do is you need to look for dy over dx. And then for differentiating with respect to x, you need to differentiate it with respect to x. For you, if you're going to differentiate y with respect to x, you put y prime or dy over dx. That's why we have here y prime. So therefore, we're going to simplify, and then we can arrive on this answer. Y prime is equals to 3 minus x over y. So this will be for now for implicit differentiation. So for you to get more updated latest videos, just subscribe to my channel. Thank you.